little one always exploring? What if your child could learn the science and math behind what they explore? E² Young Engineers believes that with a lot of fun and a wide imagination, there's no limit to what your child can discover. Our Big Builders program was created for preschoolers to develop and enhance the key skills for the 21st century. These are problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, and lots more. Our little engineers work in smaller groups, enhancing their skills and allowing them the space required to express themselves. Our class is set up so our instructors can provide the necessary attention required to learn STEM in an exciting and interesting way. By educating early, we inspire a thirst that lasts a lifetime. Young engineers. Let the littlest engineer make the biggest impact.